We are pleased to award Founders Honors to Dublin Fire Brigade for their project, Digital Twins for Emergency Response. Dublin Fire Brigade is the fire authority for the City and County of Dublin, Ireland, providing fire, rescue, and emergency medical services for a population of 1.6 million people. A staff of 1,000 firefighters and officers delivers this service on a 24/7 basis. A core support function is the provision of pre-incident planning and operational intelligence to the incident commanders and crew who are tasked with resolving an emergency incident if it arises. Traditionally, gathering pre-incident planning information involved highly manual form-filling activities, as well as in-person familiarization visits. As a result, the capacity to cover all relevant sites and buildings was constrained and could not scale with the advent of increasingly complex buildings. The use of iTwin technology as a medium for communicating pre-incident planning enabled Dublin Fire Brigade to reduce the time taken to assemble high accuracy, low latency, and high-fidelity data products to incident commanders in the field. It has improved the provision and use of information throughout the incident lifecycle and delivered an enhanced response to fire emergencies. The digital twin for emergency response concept required rethinking how pre-incident planning is undertaken, with a particular emphasis on how data and materials are layered and presented to create a standardized workflow. This workflow should ensure the creation of a reproducible, efficient pre-incident planning digital twin and a standardized navigation process for incident commanders when accessing the digital twin. By breaking down data silos and fostering a culture of shared situational awareness, this digital twin will further empower first responders to work together more effectively, ultimately leading to better outcomes in emergency situations. Congratulations to Dublin Fire Brigade on their Founders Honor for 2024.